Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a sneak peek of the early spring Simplicity collection. This collection is not available right now. Today is November 30th, 2023. So if you go to the website right now, they are not live, but they will be live in about a week or so. So make sure that you stay tuned to simplicity.com so that you know when these patterns are live. Let's go ahead and get started. I've already opened the box because I was excited. Okay, first one up is Simplicity 9880. This one here is a Simplicity Costumes pattern. It is a Mrs. Corset and Sash pattern. The suggested fabrics are brocade, jacquards, satin silks, and silk types, taffeta, velvet. You will need some lining as well as some interfacing if you are interested in this pattern. I think this is really nice. It's a beautiful corset. It is a costumes pattern, but I can definitely see these being worn if you're going to a formal event, especially if you be how they have it in that velvet. Love that. And this pattern is available in sizes 6 through 16. I forgot to tell you, go ahead and grab your pens, your papers, your notepads, or open your notes app on your phone and jot down these numbers. The next pattern up is Simplicity 9881. Listen, if you're gonna get this one, then you have to get this one. It completes the look. This one here is the Mrs. Skirt. So you have different skirt variations. These can be made in the same similar fabrics as the pattern before with the brocade, the jacquards, the satins and silks and taffeta. And this pattern is available in sizes 6 through 16 as well as the other costume pattern. Next up, Simplicity 9882. This is an authentic vintage pattern reproduction. This is 1950s vintage. It says that this is simple to make. So if you love vintage styles, you may be interested in this one. This one here is a Mrs. Skirt and Jacket. Nice. When I first looked at it, I thought it was just going to be the skirt, but the jacket is also included. So if you love vintage styles, definitely check this one out. For fabrics, you can use cotton, linen, rayons, wools, and also flannels. And for sizing, this pattern is available in size 6 through 24. Next, we have another authentic vintage pattern reproduction. This one here is Simplicity 9883, and this one is 1960s vintage. You have 3 main pieces here. It says that it is easy to cut and easy to sew. This is a Mrs. Reversible jacket. Yes, that's a nice surprise. I honestly thought this was just going to be 2 different views, but the fact that it's reversible, yes. You can make this out of cottons and cotton blends, corduroy, double knits, fleece, linen. You have a lot of different options on this pattern, including wools, textured silks, tweed, velveteens. You have lots of different fabric options for this pattern, so that's really nice. And for sizing, it's available in size 8 through 26. Next up, we have another vintage pattern. This is 1960 Simplicity 9884. This again is 2 to 3 main pieces, easy to cut, easy to sew. This is a Mrs. dress in 2 lengths. You can make this out of brocade, cotton blends, crepe, linen. They also have velvet and velveteen fabrics on here as well. I really do like that deep scoop neckline that it has. And this pattern is available in sizes 6 through 24. So write down this number if you are interested in a 1960 vintage reproduction pattern. Okay, next up is Simplicity 9885. The cutouts are here. If cutouts are your style and you love them, go ahead and write this pattern down. This one here is Mrs. Knit dresses in 3 different lengths. For fabrics, it's recommended for bamboo knits, interlock, jersey, rayon knits, rib knits, as well as stretch velvets. And this one here is available in sizes 8 through 26. Next pattern in the upcoming early spring Simplicity collection is Simplicity 9886. Little color block moment here. We love that. This is a Mrs. dress with length variations. For fabric recommendations, they're recommending a challis, charmeuse, crepe, a double georgette, a lightweight cotton blends, rayon, as well as silky types. And this pattern is available in sizes 4 through 20. Now that is just for these envelopes. So this one here goes from 4 to 12, and then the other size from 14 to 20, but it's also available in Simplicity 9887 in sizes 20W through 28W, as well as 30W through 38W. So if you see this style and you really like it, but you need the larger envelope, they got more options here. I'm here for the color block moment. I like that you have neck variations as well as a sleeve option on this pattern. So if you're interested in this pattern, definitely write down the numbers. Again, the Mrs. size is Simplicity 9886. And the women's envelope is Simplicity 9887. Next up in the collection is Simplicity 9888. And this here is a Mrs. dress pattern here. I do see that they have a little cutout detail along the back. It has elastic around the waist. So again, this is a Mrs. dress pattern. You can make this out of cotton blends, gingham, linen blends, poplin, as well as shirting fabrics. And this pattern is available in size 6 through 22. Next up in the collection is Simplicity 9891, and this is a Mrs. skirt pattern in 3 length variations. You can make this pattern out of denim, nylon, poplin, rayons, tinsel, as well as twill, and it's available in sizes 6 through 24. I've been seeing a lot of cargo things, so if you're into cargo pockets, cargo pants, and cargo skirts, you may want to check this pattern out. So again, the number is Simplicity 9891. Next up in the collection is Simplicity 9894, and that is from Simplicity designer Mimi G. I am here for this skirt set here. I think it's super cute. It's going to be perfect for spring and summer. This is a Mrs. and women's top with B, C, and D cup sizes for Mrs. and C, D, double D cup sizes for women's. It's a top and skirt in 2 lengths. Listen, it's everything. You got it all right here. I do love that they included the different cup sizes, especially for a top like this. You want to make sure that you're getting the correct cup size that you need. So I'm glad that they included all those options. This pattern can be made out of cotton, denim, linen, rayons, as well as satins. And this one here is available in sizes 10 through 28. Next up in the collection is Simplicity 9896. This one here is a unisex jacket in 2 lengths. This one is really cool. I really do love the quilting detail and element that they have along the sleeve. I love all the color blocking that they've incorporated. So I think this is a really nice and cool pattern. Again, this is a unisex jacket in 2 lengths. You can make this out of cotton blends, denim, fleece, Panty, as well as scuba. And it's available in sizes extra small through extra, extra large. And all the sizes are included in 1 envelope. Next up in this new collection is some really cute babies, toddlers, and girl patterns. So this one here is Simplicity 9898. This is a baby's dress, panty, and headband pattern. Super cute. Next is Simplicity 9899. This is an easy to sew pattern. This is a toddler's jacket and dress. Super cute pattern here. The next one is Simplicity 9900. This is a children and girls dress with sleeve and length variations. So some really cute children, babies, and toddlers patterns in the collection. So that is all of the sneak peek that I'm going to share in this video. But again, there is more to this collection. I just wanted to show you a few. I don't like to show and give the whole collection away in this video because I still want you to, have your ooh and ah moment when you do see the full collection. But just know that there are more styles and more patterns that are available in this collection. I just want to share a few with you. Again, I really do hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you know when the next video goes live, and stay tuned to simplicity.com. I'll see you all in the next one. Blessings, everyone. Bye.